Hey, I am Bob the train. I drive on the tracks. Passengers can sit inside me and travel to faraway places. I also carry goods from one place to another. Let's go and meet the other modes of transport. Look, there is a car.
Hey, Bob! I am going out for a picnic. We'll see you soon, Bob!
Look, kids, that's a police car. What do you do, Mr. Police Car?
Policemen sit inside me to catch thieves.
That's a brave job fighting against injustice. Where are you going, fire truck, in so much haste?
There are people trapped in a fire. I'm going to save them with the help of firefighters.
Look, there comes an ambulance.
I'm going to carry the sick and injured people to the hospital.
What are you doing, garbage truck?
I'm collecting garbage.
Look there, it's Crane and Bulldozer. Hey guys, what are you all doing?
Hey, Bob. I'm helping Crane by moving the obstacle.
Hi, Bob. I'm helping with loading and unloading.
Good work, you guys. Look at the helicopter fly away.
Bye, Bob!
Hey, tow truck, what do you do?
I tow away the wrecked and disabled cars.
I hope you kids had fun learning the different modes of transport. Hi, I am Bob, and I want to help you learn the numbers. Let us count all the objects on my wagon. One van. One. Hi, one.
Hi, Bob!
2 watches. 1, 2. Hello, 2.
Hello, Bob!
3 jugs. 1, 2, 3. Hey, 3.
What's up, Bob?
4 suns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, 4.
I hope you're doing good.
5 umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, 5.
Hey, Bob!
6 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hi, 6.
How you doing, Bob?
7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello, 7.
It's good to see you, Bob!
8 hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi, 8.
Hi, Bob!
9 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, 9.
Hello, Bob!
10 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, 10.
It's good to see you, Bob!
Let's count the numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi, kids. I'm Bob. Today, we're going to learn the alphabets. A is the first letter we need to find. Let's go and find A. Kids, can you see A? He is hiding behind the lamppost.
Boo! Hi, Bob.
A, will you join me?
Yes, Bob.
What are you doing up there, B?
I was looking for you, and here you are.
Look, kids, there C is. He seems to be going somewhere.
Hi, Bob.
I see. Where are you going?
I'm going to the park.
Why don't you join us instead?
Yay!
D, what are you doing behind the tree?
I'm playing hide and seek.
Will you join me on a fun ride?
Yes!
Hi, E. How are you? Would you like to join us?
Hi, Bob. I'm fine, thank you. Yes, I would love to join you.
Kids, what is that? Oh my goodness, it's F.
Hi, Bob.
Hi, G. Where are you going?
Hi, Bob. I'm going to meet H. Come along.
Hi, H.
Hi, Bob. G. Let's join Bob. Yes!
Kids, the next letters are I and J.
We're waiting for the bus that will take us to the floating islands.
I'm going to the floating islands too. Both of you join us. Kids, look at K. He is on the swing.
Bob, can I join my friends, I and J?
Yes.
Yay! Wait for me! I want to come too!
Hi, M. What are you doing?
Hi, Bob. I'm going home.
Why don't you join us instead?
Yes! Woo!
Hi, N. Hi, O.
Hi, Bob. Hi, Bob.
Hi, P. Where is Q?
Hi, Bob. I'm trying to find Q. Can you help me find Q?
There Q is, hiding behind the house. Look, kids, there's S.
Hi, Bob. I am waiting for R. Hi, Bob.
Hi, T. Are you going somewhere?
Hi, Bob. I'm going to the city to meet you and V.
Let's go meet U and V together. Hi, U and V. Will you come with me to meet W?
Yes, we're going to meet W too. Let's go together.
Hi, W.
Hi, Bob. I'm waiting for my friends, T, V, and U. Have you seen them?
Yes, they're aboard. Why don't you join them?
Yay! Woohoo! Look at all our friends. Could we join them too, Bob?
Yes, X, Y, and Z. This was fun. See you next time.